Description: Stay bright with our restorative silkening treatment specially formulated for blondes. Vegan. Benefits: repairs damaged, porous blonde hair. Instantly brightens and tones brassiness. Seals split ends. Suggested use: after shampooing, mist through clean, damp hair. Leave on for 1 to 3 minutes. Rinse. Use in place of a conditioner. Blonde made better. Instantly illuminate your blonde. While one's true hue is their stylist's secret, the Bright Blonde collection keeps hair looking naturally illuminated for longer. It's every blonde's moment to shine. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this. Yes, it is expensive, but this product does not disappoint. This makes my hair feel so silky without weighing it down or making it feel oily. Even the next day it feels and looks great. All of the Oribe products for blondes really keep you bright and eliminate brassy tones, plus they smell amazing when most purple products don't. I'm glad I added this one to my hair care.